Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. Here we are again today with another video for you guys. Today on the agenda we have a vinyl fence at the front of a large piece of property, and then after that we have a concrete wall, probably about 125 feet of concrete wall we have to clean, getting ready for repainting. So we're supposed to get rain this afternoon around 4, so I was gonna try to get an early start this morning. All right, we will see you at the job. Okay, so here we are at the first job. We got a white vinyl picket fence. I'll walk around and show it. We're doing both sides of the street side, and then she only wants the inside of this part done. It's a bit of fence, but beautiful property. We have down here, just right to that little bridge there, and then back up this side here. So, all right, okay, that's it for now. Let's get busy.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
All right, so we just got finished up here. Just now starting to rain, but let me walk you around, show you how the fence turned out. Looking good now. Walk you out front here. Yep, turned out really nice, and took care of this mailbox for her as well. So all right, that's it for this one. We'll see you at the next job.